Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to select all slides in PowerPoint and move them efficiently. This is great for organizing your presentation or making large edits quickly. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Then open the presentation you want to work on. You can find it in your recent documents or browse your files through the File menu. Next, look at the Slides panel on the left side of your PowerPoint window. Click anywhere inside this panel to make it active. Now, press Ctrl and the A key at the same time to select all slides. For Mac users, use Command instead of Control. You'll see each slide highlighted, indicating it's selected. Once all slides are selected, you can move them as a group. Click and drag any one of the slides to the position you want. If you only want to move certain slides, hold Shift and click on the slides you want to move separately. This method is especially useful when you're reorganizing large presentations, combining multiple slide decks, or incorporating feedback efficiently. And that's it. You now know how to quickly select all slides and move them in PowerPoint, saving you time and making your editing process much smoother. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.